Hello guys, and today Ate spanked me. Look at this new.
What?
Here. I will delete the cookie.
I don't know what cookie you're talking about.
Cookie, that daddy.
Cookie.
The eating yummy biscuits. I will delete that. And
Don't know.
permanently.
No, I don't like you.
Do it.
Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good.
That's a bad cat.
Hi guys. Hi guys, so try out my new Rexona with me. Puts on his armpit. Guys, try this new product. It's very good.
Try this new product.
How did he get inside?
Magic flakes.
He's before in the YouTube he's saying, "Why are you drawing me with boogers? I don't have boogers." So I'm gonna put some boogers on him.
Yeah. He's so guilty. Oh, I thought you're drawing like a lollipop.
And let's give him no teeth.
Teeth.
No teeth.
No teeth. But it looks like, it looks like Colgate. Look, oh.
Why?
Please, don't decide. It,
Dirty teeth.
ew.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, what should we put? Pimples.
Yeah, he's sick.
Sick. You're very sick in bed.
Yeah, he always play
So-
and saying bad words.
So he's playing Roblox all day and he's very sick. So he's not going to school. Oops. And this is why this is the reason he got very sick and he got this red pimples. No, wait, what do you call that? Chicken pox.
Chicken pox, like a million of Akim.
I actually had chicken pox before.
Really? When?
Yes, mommy.
When ate have chicken pox?
When we are in Block 27, I was.
When answer me. Okay, save now. It's my turn to edit. It's my turn to edit.
Wait, last one, promise.
Freak you.
Oops.
Speeds, mom.
Oops. Target.
Taje.
No, wait. Time to take
Teke.
your medicine.
Okay, you should.
Speed. No. Oops.
You have an ugly handwriting. Whoa. I didn't check English in cursive. I don't want to yuck. Hey, do not put that.
True.
Else, you're always putting SO.
Gets
Are you stupid?
very mad and hits speeds.
Wait,
What?
do not put ha. Oh, yes, wait.
It's me.
Let's change to this.
Okay. Right.
Do it. I'll put done. Why is it so blurry? Go.
Okay.
I'm gonna edit.
But you're just gonna edit his tears.
I already.
What if Banana Cat was a human?
Oh, Hey,
I wanna edit something now.
it's my turn. What the freak? It's so quickly. Mark to 24 hours. No, it would be closed always.
Abandoned. No, wait. It's open for 1 second.
1 second, it's so small I cannot do that.
Oh.
Pulkini. Yung lahat web.
Hotel 5.
Oh, okay, Hotel 5.
What the Sigma?
I can't see.
can't see.
Hotel.
They would do this one.
Oh, that
4.
one.
4.
Remove 4.
No.
Hotel 4. 5 and 4.
Hotel 4. That's fine.
Hotel 5.
Okay.
Equals.
Equals.
Number V. You way you walking to my eyes, I know you want it. Look, oh. Sweet captured in drone. Let's make it no face.
Uy, no.
Happy birthday. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna.
Why does it look like a frog?
No, that's a crocodile.
Huh?
Because we didn't realize. But the other one. What the heck?
This one. What did you do to her? It's in the recently deleted. Give it a face.
Yeah. Black. It. Poking.
What is that?
Creepy cat.
Abido.
Well, you don't have a nice handwriting.
Shut up.
Then we're gonna eat. I did tangram a while ago. Tantrum. Ate, I did tantrum a while ago.
So. 3.
Whiskers.
1, 2, 3. Why does it look like a spider?
Wait, what if we send that to Daddy first and then we decided to put it teacher? He's gonna be confused. Wait, what's that?
Dude, they have eyebrows, oh. See?
They don't have.
This one, oh. Fine, I'll remove it. It looks ugly.
Yeah.
This one?
Yup, we see you. What the freak? Oh no!
It's fine. It was ugly anyway.
Anyway,
Sweet sipon.
sweet sipon. I already erase the sneeze.
I hate you.
Give me in a
Do you
while.
wanna play hide and seek?
I'm
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna erase this one.
Why?
Let me see your hands. Please. My hands are up. Get down here or I'll you up. Get down. Get down. Put your phone down on the ground now. I'm on the ground. Ow, 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 ow. Gerald.
What the Sigma?
Look, oh, this is our ladder. First read worst.
Make it fast.
What do you mean?
I wanna edit something. Bro.
No.
Are you gonna do to the cat?
TikTok.
Meow, meow. Oy.
Blindness.
Dude. Dude.
Blind. What did you say? Rude. Oh, you made my phone fall.
No, let's make Angela look different.
Yeah, different.
Yeah. Let's remove her makeup eyeliner
I like. What the heck? What did you say?
because that's what
Look at the proportions.
that's what it's called, the eyeliner.
Yeah, but look at the proportion.
What's proportions?
I don't have meaning. She looks scary. I don't know what that means.
1 minute.
Hurry! One only.
No ears.
Mommy doesn't have teeth. Well, in the Baguio.
It's
And then she got mad at me.
Sigma boy.
Sigma boy, Sigma boy. It's not Sigma, it's Sigma. Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Cat the
There.
camera.
She doesn't look like Angela anymore.
Sigma boy, Sigma boy. That's only me. What the freak are you doing?
I saw which. Let me see. It's this. Where is it?
This one.
No.
So what are you looking for?
Where is it?
What are you looking?
Which I'm laying down.
Like this?
No.
What are you looking?
Because I saw someone just laying down your picture like this.
That's a video. If she said, "Oh, mommy, daddy," I will send that to you. How did you know that I video? It's just a kid. It's just a kid. That's me. Can't you stop believing me?
Wait, why not we'll edit that and then it will have a sync now.
I don't like. Last 1 minute.
Lost
No,
one
no
minute.
kapis ko.
Oh no, no water. You get it.
Get the cold water. Bygone. I text mommy this one if daddy can do this.
And then mommy just laughed.
Yeah. I don't know where is it. Thank you for watching. That's nice. Thanks for watching. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. Shut up. Maraming salamat. Dapte. Maraming salamat. Stupid ah. I don't wanna go to school. Thank you for watching. Maraming salamat. Uh-oh. This is brown out.